All right, drug dealer tries running over police officer. What the fuck? Oh,
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Right here. The owner of this car, though, lives in
that is a big cop.
Florida. I can get him on the phone for you.
Okay.
No problem.
All right. Well, I'm Deputy Davis, Lance County Sheriff's Office. Reason why I'm stopping you is you failed to maintain your lane out there on the interstate.
I was in an argument, and, like, it quickly ended. I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
I just, like, I'm on my way to my grandma's house because she's about to have open heart surgery.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm just, like, really worked up because my grandma and me, like, we're best friends, and I'm just freaking out.
Okay. Are you traveling by yourself or?
Well, my mom and my niece are over there in that blue car.
Okay. Where are y'all going to right here?
Right here, just the Dollar General. My niece had to be.
Okay. And whose vehicle is this?
This is my boyfriend Ron's car.
Your boyfriend's car?
Yeah.
Oh
And
shit.
How long are y'all gonna be in Florida?
I don't know. I mean, well, he lives in Florida, so I'm like gonna be there for a few weeks. But my mom and them will probably.
I thought he was reaching for his gun. I was like, what the fuck, bro? He's just talking to you. Why you being so mean?
Down at my grandma's for like a week.
Hang tight for me just a second. We good? No, not yet. Said he was in an argument. His niece had to pee, going to Florida for open heart surgery. His grandmother. But let me talk to you just a second. Oh, you went that far. But everything's okay with you? You're not having a medical emergency or nothing like that, are you?
I'm just worried about my grandma, and she's like 85 now. Sorry, I got my boyfriend on the phone because I didn't know if you needed to talk to him about the
No,
car.
I don't need to talk to him. But there's nothing illegal in your vehicle or anything like that. That's not why you're nervous or anything.
No, I'm just nervous because, like, you know, my niece is right there, and I'm just trying to get down to my boyfriend and my grandma. I'm just
Well, you
freaking.
never answered my question. There's nothing illegal in your vehicle, is there?
Just a little bit of pot.
That's what I thought. Step on out.
But
Oh, you gave him probable cause. Why would you do that?
Step on
sir, please.
out. Open your, undo your seatbelt and step on out.
No.
I'm about to go to jail.
Please put the car in park and step out. Don't make
He about to take off. He about to take off on y'all ass.
this worse than what it is. Put the
Am I
car.
going to jail?
No, if you put the car in park and get out, it'll be fine.
What I'm saying, do I have, like, I don't have a warrant or anything?
No, get out of the car.
Please, sir. What?
Get out of the car, sir.
Can't do it.
You're fixing to wind up in jail. Get out of the vehicle. Put the car in park, please. Bud, your car's not in park. Do not take off or you really will mess up.
Yeah, please, like,
Put the car in park.
They just don't make drug dealers like they used to.
There it goes. There it goes.
He didn't
Get out of
go.
the car.
He didn't go.
Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. Lounge, give me 10-3. Get out of the car. Out of the car.
How the fuck this? No, I ain't gonna say that. That's me. That vest is being stretched to its ultimate limit, though.
Get out of the car. Brett, back up some, bud.
Hold on. We gotta rewind that.
Put the car in.
say, do I have, like, I don't have a warrant or anything?
No, get out of the car.
Please, sir. What?
Get out of the car, sir.
Can't do it.
You're fixing to wind up in jail. Get out of the
This guy just said I can't go to jail, and then he does the thing that's going to put him in there. That is crazy.
vehicle. Put the car in park, please. Bud, your car's not in park. Do not take off or you really will mess up.
Yeah, please, like,
Put the car in park.
I can't do this.
There it goes. There it goes.
He didn't take off. Look, that cop is so fucking slow, bro.
Get out of the car.
I know you lying.
Get out of the car now. Get out of the car.
I know you
Give
lying.
me 10-3. Get out of the car. Out of the car. Get out of the car. Brett, back up some, bud.
I got eyes on it.
Okay.
I got eyes on it. He's got his hands on his face. Get out of the car.
Bro is freaking out because he got more than just a little pot. You know, you get the rub in your face like that, you got more than just, you got some shit in there.
Out of the car.
My thing is, if you got drugs on you, why would you be smoking it? Don't give them probable cause.
Driver, get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle now. Driver, get out of the vehicle now.
Out of the car.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle now. Sir, put your hands up and get out of the vehicle now.
Put the car apart.
I'm trying to sort it out right now. Sir, get out of the vehicle now.
Put the car
Put the
apart.
car apart now, Brett. Hold tight just a second.
Put it apart. Put it apart.
Yeah, he's stuck. He don't know what the fuck to do. This is his first rodeo. You can definitely tell. Bro is having a gay panic attack. Purchase with seized drugs. What? What did it say? What the fuck did that say, bro?
Hold tight just a second.
Put it apart. Put it apart.
Purchase with seized drug funds. Foreshadowing. Hold on. Is they showing off on the goddamn body cam video, bro? Oh. Oh. Oh, he just hit a cop. Oh, you going to jail. Your ass is grass, you going to jail.
Lance, he just took off. He almost hit me with the car.
I'm surprised you ain't hit your big ass.
Go.
I can't with you.
Can you make it out?
Yes,
I got her. Wow, guys, she's in the parking lot. She's headed back towards the intersection.
Wow.
with the spikes.
You probably did, but he almost got your ass.
Clouds, we're southbound on the interstate. Whoever's in front of me, go ahead and move up and let me take me. I will as soon as I get a chance. He's got some flat tires. Well, we have permission to go ahead.
That's wild.
He's losing control though. He's got some tires. He's got a black right tire that's thin. We're all taking off that fast check up top. We're the 9 southbound speed about 100 miles an hour. Let's go ahead and give him some units at the 5 with some more strips.
What the hell is he doing? Why is he swerving from left to right? Is one of his tires flat? I think one of his tires flat. Yeah, your ass going to jail.
Go ahead, too. Go ahead, take him out. He's all over the road. He's like 10 feet away from the vehicles.
I can imagine every time he's swerving, he like, ah, ah, ah.
Take him now. We got traffic on, buddy.
What the fuck?
Every time I try to pull up next to him, he's trying to hit me.
They got that man scared.
Lounge, if we can, get somebody at Dollar General. I left my rider there with this object's mother.
This object's mother.
Oh, almost got him. Almost got his ass.
What's the speed here? We're at 100 miles an hour.
The moment immediately following the state trooper's pit maneuver, an officer calls out speeds of 100 miles an hour. Most agencies limit pits to speeds under 35, 45, or 50 miles per hour, but make exceptions for cases involving lethal force. High-speed pits are risky by nature, but some argue they increase safety by limiting the duration of a pursuit, pointing out that long pursuits are often the most dangerous.
What's the speed, Jared? We're at 100 miles an hour. GSP just pit.
Ooh!
GSP just bit 1050 lounge.
He's lucky he survived that. He ain't supposed to be just, it's supposed to be happening. It's supposed to way be, well, I can't even get my words out. More is supposed to happen when shit like that goes off.
Using Dashcam and Google Maps, we found the trooper's average speed 5 seconds before the point of contact with the suspect's vehicle was estimated to be 103.9 miles an hour.
Damn.
Georgia State Patrol's pursuit policy is one of the most lenient in the entire country, having no limit on speed and instead deferring to officers to decide what is reasonable, which is what allowed them to legally proceed with the pit maneuver. Similarly, Arkansas State Police state the most dangerous thing for a trooper to do during a pursuit is nothing, noting that, like a mass shooting, the priority is to stop the threat to the public as fast as possible.
It's like following an active shooter in the mall or an active shooter in a school and hoping they're a bad shot.
Round WMS fire around quick advice.
Ooh! I know he fucked up. Bro just made it. He probably would have, you know, he would have got some time for whatever they caught in there, but this just made that shit 10 times worse. You better be careful. He might like that shit. He panicked though. Oh shit, I got on those same pants. No, I don't. We got the same color on though. Don't do the time if don't do the crime if you can't do the time.
Somebody exit 11.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, are you good? You could have damn killed somebody.
I'm sorry. I thought I was going.
Y'all already got Mad Beauty in, right? Yeah, we got him on the way. We can open the slow lane. Just hang tight right now. Just slow down. Relax.
Shutting down the 11. LT, I'm trying to get this traffic slowed up, but they're not paying me any attention.
Hank, are you okay? Hank, you okay? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm good, bro. When he tried to hit Jared in the parking lot, I made contact with him, and after the pit, his car rolled back into the side of mine, too. I got damage to the front bumper, none on the front frame, just right there on the passenger side door where he hit me on the second. He said he had a little pot and he thought he was going to jail.
Yeah, what?
A little bit of pot.
Because I thought I had a phone here. He did all this.
He doesn't
Nah, he gotta have more than just a little pie, bro.
even have a warrant, and I told him that.
But I thought you were just lying.
I asked him to get
Why
out
would
of
he
the
lie to you?
I asked him to get out of the vehicle. He was nervous. I asked if he had a little drugs in the car. He said he had a little pot. I asked him to get out, barricade himself.
Y'all, he was stoned. That's what that was.
Said he wanted to kill, I guess, and everybody else too.
Trying to start shutting down traffic there. I've got the on-ramp southbound shut off.
Hank, are you okay?
There was a bag, okay, bathroom bag, where you go to get on the interstate, on the left. I don't know if it came from here
There was
or
a
not.
bathroom bag in the front seat, so he probably
It's
threw it
out
out.
there.
I'll go get it. Where's it at?
When you get on the interstate, right in the turn lane, on your left-hand side.
What the fuck?
Huh? I think it's a Jetta. You want me to get the registration?
That's crazy, man. That's wild.
It's a Passat, yeah. I spiked him in the parking lot.
I would have just got my little ticket and went on about my business.
Stopped him, he was all over the road.
I was on the car stop at the 14 when I got back in, I heard it.
We are super southern. This is super southern.
Still, I stopped him at the Dollar General, nervous as crap, run his driver's license, go back up there, get to talking with him. Why are you nervous? States, there's a little bit of pot in the car. I said, oh, buddy, well, hop on out. He said, am I going to jail? I was like, no, man, just hop on out. Am I going to jail? I was like, man, just step on out. Have I got a warrant? No. Man, just step on out. Then he barricades himself in the car. We back up off of him. He kept inching forward. I grabbed my spike. He goes to take off. Josh Williams stops him in the parking lot. I run up there and throw the spikes at the car, and that's when he almost clips me. Is that the little bit he was talking about?
You got sterilizing strips right there, so he's probably a needle user. You find anything yet?
A little bit of weed. There's some stuff thrown out that they're trying to find.
Oh, look at the dog.
I appreciate it. I'm just glad he did it.
The bag that the suspect threw out of the vehicle was recovered by a civilian who immediately brought it to the closest deputy available. Inside it was suspected crystal meth inside 6 individually wrapped
So he was messing around.
baggies for distribution, totaling 88 grams with a street value estimated at $8,800. The suspect,
Oh, yeah, he was going to
charged with
jail.
improper or erratic lane change, willful obstruction of law enforcement, 2 counts of felony aggravated assault on a peace officer, felony fleeing eluding, felony purchase, possession, manufacturing, distribution, or sale of marijuana, and felony trafficking methamphetamine. He took a plea deal, pleading guilty to 1 count of aggravated assault on a peace officer and trafficking methamphetamine, while all other charges were dismissed. He was sentenced to 15 years, with the first 5 years being in prison.
Shit. See, that's what I'm talking about, bro. If he wouldn't have did that, he would have been cool. If he wouldn't have took off in the car, right there. Running always makes shit bad. He got 15 years for aggravated assault on a peace officer. Bro, if they pull you over with some shit, this is all you would have had to deal with. That 15 ain't shit. You feel me? Like that, you would have got charged for that. But now you got 2 15 years. That's 30 years. That's crazy. Well, it might not be 30 years. Oh, never mind. It say concurrent. So even if he do 15 years in jail, right? Prison. He still got to do 50. Boy, hell nah. I just do my 30 in prison. You already gay. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit. YOLO. Because ain't no fucking way.
Remainder being on probation. He was also fined $1,500.
I thought you meant further up.
15 years on probation? Man, just put my ass in jail. That 15 years? I gotta pay the courts for 15 years. Fuck no. That's like being in jail outside, bro. Hell no. Just hell no. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. That's it, baby. We out.